5 little frogs sat on a log, eating the most delicious bugs.
Yum! These are crunchy!
Ribbit, ribbit!
One jumped off into the pond, splash went the water, and then there were 4.
Cannonball!
Wow, nice splash!
One frog said, let's jump and play. Splash! He dove and swam away. Ribbit! Good night, world. 4 little frogs sat on a rock, playing and laughing around the dock.
Ha ha! That tickled!
Ribbit, ribbit, croak, croak. 2 little frogs sat near a tree, counting clouds, 1, 2, 3.
That one looks like a turtle!
3 little tree frogs went boing, boing, boing. Splash went the water, what a song!
That was a big jump! Splash party!
He heard his friends go croak, croak, croak.
Splash!
He jumped in with a happy joke. I hear my friends. Ribbit, 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 jump, jump, jump. 5 little frogs go thump, thump. We love our pond.
Breakfast time, little jumpers!
All 5 frogs swam round and round, happy together forevermore. We're back together. Ribbit dance time. 1 little frog sat on the log, all alone, a sleepy frog. Where did everyone go?